What's up, guys? It's Cam with the camera coming at you with another video. Today is going to be more of a vlog style video. I'm going to take you through my day, kind of stuff I edit with, and then I guess teach you some things on the way. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and make myself probably some coffee, then work on editing this video for this client. They need it done today, and then after that, I'm going to go to my job and finish probably another video there, if not work on it myself. And yeah, I'm going to take you through, the day and see what happens. So let's go. So now we head into work. What's up, guys? It's Cam with the camera, just checking back on in. Today just giving you a little self-development lesson, I guess, about living with intent. So when I'm saying living with intent, it just simply means, so much of our days we get just caught up in scrolling through our phone, just mindlessly scrolling, that we end up wasting a lot of our time. If you look at your phone, you see how many hours that we're on just certain apps. And what I'm saying with it, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with being on any apps. Just be mindful of the amount of time you spend, and then also be mindful of your time and how you use it. So if you're going to do something, you might as well do it most efficiently, the most effective way possible, fastest way possible, best way possible. This is just another way to use your time wisely. You could, do the same thing, just alter different things. I like to just simply listen to audiobooks. Listen to audiobooks is something very simple that you can do, use your time wisely. Use YouTube for information instead of for entertainment. It's one of the biggest learning resources out there. To make your days more efficient, just have a plan, have a goal for the day. So I like to have like a long-term goal, a medium, and short-term goals to all get to those long-term goals. So that I know that, hey, every week I need to do this, or hey, every day I need to at least try to contact this many people or do this much for business. Most of the time I try to break it down to a weekly task though, just because if I get behind one day, I don't want to feel like, oh, I got to catch up for the rest of the week, because that leaves me feeling, rushed and stressed. So this is just an update video. So I'm going to try to do these videos every 2 days. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. And so, just let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all want to see. I'm going to take y'all on some more adventures. I got, a new mic, and so I'm definitely going to test out, some new stuff out with that. And yeah, I appreciate you being with me on my journey, and enjoy this documentary about my rise to, to where I'm going to be in the next 5 years. So, peace.